Welcome back, everybody. Anybody that's new here, thanks for joining me today. I'm gonna make this short and simple because I came here super early. Sun's just coming up. If you guys recognize the area, I've gotten some very large fish from this area. If you're new here, I've gotten some very large fish from this area. And I might be early enough. It looks like this area was actually just underwater where I'm standing. So hopefully that brought in a bunch of new fish. I got up super early this morning, got some bait, and yeah, I'm gonna throw some live monster bait by that tree over there. Hopefully you guys are seeing this because I really want to catch a monster today. Okay, first things first this morning, grab one of these wiggly creek chubs. Got about 5 of these today. Hopefully that's enough. I mean, if I use all 5 of them, I'm okay with that. I'm just gonna nose hook these guys, toss them out there. Wish me luck. Oh, yep, that's a bite. Oh, dropped it. He had most of it. He was ripping it off. I think he came back. It's hard to tell if he still got it. Oh, I definitely pulled that out of his mouth. I'm gonna just have to wait till he pulls it all the way in. Looks like he's chomping the whole thing. Trying these new hooks out. Okay, well that one's sitting there waiting to get munched. The bites from earlier killed one of my fish. So I'm gonna cut them up into cut bait and use little chunks of them. See if there's any other fish swimming around that'll eat some cut bait. Okay, I'm just gonna throw this head out there. Put it in some slack water over here. I just stuck this live one, the last live one. I got lucky and this fish hooked himself. What is that? The channel? Oh no. It's a baby! I got one. Well, that kind of explains a lot. Look at how dark he is. So that's probably what was going on. So I had a bunch of them down there and I got some good bites earlier on. Yeah, little baby flathead. Gonna let this guy go. Well, it took all day, and it took the last live chub that I had. I knew I should have brought more down. Apparently there's some little flatheads down here, and I'm guessing the rule of thumb is still going to stand tall, and that is if you catch those little guys, a lot of times the really big ones like the 60s aren't going to be around because a 60 could eat that. So there might be a couple more little ones underneath there. I have a little bit of the chub left. I'm going to throw it in there, see if I can get another one. Okay, gonna try this big old gobble worms here, see how it does. Came back. Just gotta swallow the whole thing though. Definitely trying to eat it. He came back. I think he's on it that time. This one feels a little bit bigger. Oh, that's why. Turtle. Time to move. Okay, you're free. Go bug somebody else, please. Wouldn't be a river fishing day without one of you guys, huh? You're free. Go on. Go on. Go. You're unhooked, dude. Go. Well, apparently I got a new friend. Go on. Go. You're free. Not trying to make buddies here. There you go. Of course it had to be a turtle. The thing that sucks is I was using a big long chub, and he must have ate a good portion of it before turning and getting hooked on his shell. I'm glad that wasn't in his mouth. It made releasing it a lot easier, but that makes me debate. All I have is my worms right now. I kind of want to throw it underneath there. What would you guys do? I'm debating on leaving, but if I throw the worms underneath there, if there's more flatheads, even the mediums will obviously eat a ball of worms. So I don't know. I'm gonna try and put it underneath there. I have to. Okay, guys. So turns out turtles moved in after I pulled that one baby flathead out. So we're gonna not feed the turtles anymore. But I'm gonna go try a couple other things today. I wanted to play with the jerkbait a little bit, maybe some top water and some other stuff, but I'll make a different video for that for you guys, so stay tuned for those videos. But hopefully you guys enjoyed today's little baby flathead. We'll call it the baby monster mission, because he'll get big eventually. So that's the cool thing about flatheads, is that thing can be 60-70 pounds in the next 10 years. So I hope to find one of those sooner than later. But thanks for watching, guys.